Good evening. I'm happy to introduce you to SoLED. My name is Dana, co-founder of SoLED and PhD candidate at the Water Technology Lab. With me, Professor Maman, the head of the lab. We are focusing on UV LED disinfection. With us, Amit Bergman, who was the leader of Iron Dome project, and Meir Morgenstern, our advisor. How obvious it is to just open our tap and magically get a clean stream of fresh water with no concern of how it can affect our lives. That is not a reality for most of the world. Over 100 million families in India alone do not have this simple tap at home. They collect the water from contaminated lakes or river. One child dies every single minute from waterborne disease. And why? Because they do not have the infrastructure for proper water treatment. Even governments and the UN understand the urgent need. For example, in India, they're investing over $100 billion in order to provide safe water to every household, which is exactly why we created SoLED, a small and portable device, size of a laptop, powered by the sun, designed for developing countries, especially for rural areas with intermittent or no electricity. SoLED can be connected to any standard pipeline and filtration system, and then the water stream through the device and immediately be purified by the UV light. 5 or 6 devices suits to an average village in India. UV LED is the next generation of disinfection treatment. In the last 5 years, we deeply researched in the lab the UV LED disinfection methods. SoLED is based on a patented technology that we are worked on it in the lab. We proved that with the combination of frequencies, we can achieve maximum effectiveness with minimum lamp cost while requiring low energy consumption. SoLED is the most cost-effective solution. Thanks to the patent, we can make it accessible for developing countries as well. So now you may ask yourself, so there is no solutions for this huge problem? So there is a huge gap between the effectiveness against viruses and suitability for rural areas. And the common solution require high maintenance or skilled personnel like UV mercury lamps or filtration system, or ongoing supply like the chemical oxidant. SoLED overcome of all these disadvantages. The device can also be a virus add-on to any filtration system today. The business model. Our target customers, the water service providers, who hold a close relationship with government stakeholders. The pricing model, we will licensing our technology, pay per use according to water consumption. This model is already successfully approved in developing countries. We are working with people that did it in around 5 countries around the world, using water ATMs or coupons or direct cash. We already proven our technology in the lab, including COVID-19 testing with Sheba Hospital. Now we are finalizing our prototype with our design partner in India and Israel. The next step is to run a pilot in Israel with Arava Institute in the Negev, and afterwards we will run a pilot in India with the OCEO water company. Thank you very much. Join our journey of saving lives and let it be.